So we got some LED headlights here. Got that for my birthday. As you guys can see, everything is still set up around me. So we still got that all set up. We have to go get some wires and a wiring kit in order to get that installed into the RSX. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. And yep, it's the next day, as you guys can see. Next day and shit. So we're gonna go ahead and head out, buy that stuff, come back, install it. I'm probably gonna make an install video. There's one, but it's so long. But we'll try and break it down. That way you guys get to know how to do it. Pulled up to O'Reilly. We found the wiring thingy, or the terminal, whatever thingies. But the homie's trying to find something else. So what are we trying to find?
Like the space connector on the
Oh, so I guess we need a connector. And that's why we haven't gotten it, but we'll find it. And then we need what? We also need the gaskets. So we're gonna get gaskets, that stuff, and then and yeah. And then just install these lights. We're back, we're here trying to uninstall the headlight. We had to go get these little wires in order to install the LEDs onto that, or to this thing right here, connect them to that. So we're just gonna do that, take off the headlight now, and then work with it and see what else we need. But we're gonna install them, try and see if it works, and hopefully it goes all good. So we managed to pop off the headlight now. It's off the thing. Now we're just gonna try to figure out this thing right here, and then get it to fit in there, and then figure it out. We plugged it in. We already turned it on. We forgot to record, or I forgot to record, but it's plugged in now, and we're gonna try it. So go ahead and hit the lights, and there it is, the LED. So we went from these to the yellow ones, but we had to create all that cable shit, and it was pretty dope creating that shit, like doing it ourselves. Man, fuck paying anybody to do our shit. Like, honestly, if you have the chance to like do shit, and just go for it. If it doesn't work out, well then fuck it. Like, my retarded ass ordered bass brakes instead of Type S brakes, but it's all good. I tried the motor mounts. That thing was not a success. It didn't work, sadly, but I got them installed, and we're gonna do more shit. There will be more things coming up, but that one's set, and we're gonna just plug it back in, plug that one, same thing, and then we should be good to go. So for those of you that don't know, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. LEDs versus halogen lights, or halogen, jalogen, whatever you want to call it. But so it goes from those lights to crystal white right there. From that to this. So that was pretty sick for like us to have had installed that and get it going. That's pretty dope for me. So hell yeah. Okay, so now we have to make this, cut this out in order to fit the light bulb, or the freaking headlight, whatever shit, the housing. So now we're gonna have to, we created like this little thing to cut into this. So we got this little thing right here, made the hole bigger, and in order to fit in there. Oh, you fuck. Oh wait. We fucked this one up. Where's it at? Oh yeah, we fucked this one up. You can't see it, but we cut it up wrong. Oh, there you go. We cut it like that. Shit. So now we're gonna cut that one that he just dropped and make it fit. This is not working, so we're gonna go to Home Depot or AutoZone to pick out like one of those sandpaper things in order to cut this thing or that thing out. But we should be heading we're gonna head to Home Depot or AutoZone to go pick some up, and hopefully we can get it. Alright, so we came back from Home Depot, not Home Depot, AutoZone, and we got this thing that we needed. So we got this. Now we're just gonna cut that thing now, and it should be good to go. The homie Adrian came through, and he got the clip, this thing shaved down to the exact fit. He got his first, and then I got mine second. But now we're just gonna install it. We'll put it on that one right now. We're putting on this headlight first. Once we're done with that, we're gonna go move on to this one, and that should be pretty much it. We're just gonna go ahead and screw it in. So I don't have the actual Honda headlights. I have the fake ass ones. Dealership. Just found out that I have a fake ass bumper too. This car, I bought it last year, and it was like clean and shit. So, but obviously there were like some things that were missing. But other than that, it doesn't matter. I'm trying to look for some stock headlights and stuff like that. So we're gonna get it going, but should be straight.
Oh, she came off.
Yeah. can make another one. Both fuses went out. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, it's not plugged in?
Nah, I disconnected it.
Oh, no, you're good, you're good.
Good, bro.
So they're on now. Well, you guys saw that side turn on, but not this one. But it's good now. So we're just gonna put it back together and it should be good to go. Are we gonna do the exhaust shit or not? I mean, test it again. It'll be quick, no? Oh shit.
Shit, not bad, bro. That shit good? Try it.
Again. Blew it out.
Fuck.
Fucking
Nah,
test lighter.
do it.
So again, we blew the fucking fuse out. Thanks to the light tester over here. No, I'm kidding. We just keep blowing it out, I guess, because it's not attached well. What are you looking for? That little yellow thing? Oh, the plier thingy?
Yeah.
It's right. Oh, what the? Oh, it's right here. So you have to get the fuses again, and just pull it out and then put it right back in. Again, it blew out.
That shit fucking snapped.
Man, so that just snapped. You heard that? Like Thanos. Nah, just kidding. But that shit blew out again. And now we're gonna plug it in. What are you laughing at, bro?
What's up?
No. But we always pick on this motherfucker because he gets butthurt. And yeah, I'm kidding. But yeah, fuck it. We got it. So don't test it again until we're set. Alright, but yeah, we're good. Thanks, Adrian and Brice, for helping me out on this thing. I wanted LED lights forever, but now I got them. Now I just gotta get a cold air and a turbo and a psych. But yep. And alright, I'm about to show you guys the headlights. Alrighty, I'm about to show you guys the headlights with the LED lights. So let's go ahead and show them to you. There you go. Damn, that thing looks so clean. I've always wanted lights like these. But these lights are all in there. You guys can see LED lights. They're all set. They're pretty bright. So those things are in now. And now we're just gonna yep, that's it. So that was installed. It was pretty cool doing the whole thing, like experiencing that. Just experiencing the whole, like, learning how to do it yourself and stuff like that. Even though we really didn't get the high beams, we didn't get the high beams. Something was up with it. I think it's a connection or whatever, but the high beams don't work, but the regular lights do. So we're gonna try and just roll with those. It looks cool. I'm happy with them, so we're just gonna play around with those, and then hopefully they work and they're all set. But yeah, they're all in there, and it's all good to go now. But that's pretty cool.